So Dan was finishing up the framing here. It's looking good. We're just trying to block off this back wall to hide all the uglies. But we ran into a snag here. That heater, which doesn't work, so we're attempting just to unhook it and pull it down with the fork truck. But I had my kid in here over the weekend, and he was playing with the fork truck and left the battery engaged, left the key turned, and we don't have a fork truck right now. So we're gonna try something. We're gonna videotape it just so you guys can watch it in case something goes horribly wrong. If you are from OSHA, just move on, please, move on. All right. As far as we know, it's all unhooked. Try to get a line straight here. You guys are getting the POV cam. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yes! Yes! All right, it worked. Now we can finish up our framing. Well, I got a lot of video here this week, so I'm just going to do a real quick wrap for the week. We may or may not show up this weekend. We'll see, but here's what here's what Dan finished this week. We got the drop ceiling and the light in, the sink in, the bathroom. It's getting there. Nothing out front in the office right now, but Gary come in and painted our walls. Looks, I mean, he didn't get all of it done, but he got the vast majority of this one done, minus the jungle gym of stuff that's over here. We're gonna have to move some of that for him. Yep, so that looks good. Scotty Nielsen stopped by to give us a hot tip on a lead, and in doing so, he let us know we had a potential security risk, so we got that fixed. Got that fixed. He just kind of walked in while it was locked. Shouldn't be able to do that, right? A lot of expensive stuff in here. Here's my project. I'm just taking off the paint that is bubbling. This is a huge undertaking. This is not what I planned to do with this, but as I looked at it more closely and decided that we were going to paint this, make it nice, it just needed to have a lot of old paint removed. It has been an absolute nightmare. The majority of what is coming off has come off, and now it's just a matter of cleaning the residual dust and debris. And then hopefully next week what we'll see on this is some paint. I think we're going to do gray like those machines over there. I think everything's, with the exception of this CNC lathe here, that cleaned up real nice yesterday. The door, I just tested it on the door. The door cleaned up phenomenally, so we will probably just clean this and let it be. But that machine is gray. These machines are gray. You know, just because we're going to go buy paint, we're not going to paint it bright pink, I don't think. Well, we'll see. We'll see. Thinking gray, though. So, all right, guys, that's where we're at. Got our toolboxes over from home. Got a little bit of equipment to bring over from there. Got a small round column mill and a 12-inch lathe. So, okay, that's it. C'est la vie. Sayonara. We'll see you next week. Happy Memorial Day.